Okay, so this exercise is called elephant walks. What I want to do is keeping my legs relatively straight. I want to bend forward and kind of touch the ground. I don't have to place my hands completely flat on the ground, just kind of touch the ground. Now, I can bend my knees as much as I need to in order to touch the ground so I can reach the ground depending on my level of flexibility. Okay, so I want to bend over, touch the ground, and then all I'm doing is just doing like a heel lift on each leg one at a time, okay? So I'm just lifting up one foot, then lifting up the other one, then lifting up one foot, then lifting up the other one, okay? So I wanted my legs to be relatively straight before I lift my heel up off the ground. But my knees do not need to be locked out, okay? Again, you can kind of adjust this according to the flexibility in your hamstring, okay? So I'm just kind of lifting my heels off the ground, rotating, alternating back and forth, okay? And this is a great way to loosen up the hips and the hamstrings, okay? So go out and try and make it a great day.